Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So I just wanted to do this quick video today. Yesterday I got my Knitting Network yarn haul in, and I put up a video if you haven't seen it. And the one ball that wasn't in that box came today in a bag. And that was the Cicibebe that I was waiting for. This is a 3-weight. Colorway is 01, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 360 meters, 393 yards, 100% acrylic. This was the one I said reminded me of the Premier Bloom. So I'll put a picture up here. And that's the one it reminded me of. And I wanted to work this up on my knitting machine. So I did. Just a quick, small sample. Well, it's fairly big, but anyway, so I used my Sentro machine. I want to show you what it turned out to be. We're gonna look at it together, how the pattern came up. Yeah, so I used maybe half of this ball, maybe even more than that, to make this sample. So let's take a look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so this is the inside. Hey babies. Here, my little huggles. This is the inside. Then we're gonna flip it over together to see the outside. So I wanted to do at least 3 rows, getting that design in there, just to see if they're going to be different from one another or if they're going to be all looking the same. But they look like they are different from one another. So let's flip it to the right side. Let's see. Okay, we'll do this together. See what it looks like.
3, 2, 1!
Okay, am I too close? Oh my, oh my. Could that possibly look like flowers? Wow, I think it does. Let's see the next row. I don't know. Let's see the next row. Huh. So what do you guys think? I think this row actually looks like flowers. What do you think? And then, isn't that nice, that pink in there? And then it goes to the lighter, almost white, I guess it is. So that's the next row. And then the next row. Huh, interesting. Do they all look like kind of flowers? Like maybe this is a bush or a hedge? I don't know. So what do you guys think? Which one do you like the best? This first one? The second one? Or that third one? What do you guys think? I really want to know. Yeah, first, second, or third, which do you like? Huh. I'm thinking they're all pretty cool, but wow, I don't know. I'm thinking I'd like this one first, and then that one, and then that one. Huh. But I know it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool the way they worked up. Yeah. So thank you for looking with me at how this worked up on the knitting machine, on my Sentro 48 needle knitting machine. Yeah, so it's not really anything, I'll probably pull it apart. I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much. That was fun. Did you guys have fun? All right, I'll see you again soon. Bye.